What's up, everybody? I hope everyone is doing well and having a great start to your Tuesday, July the 14th. I wanted to provide you with another economic stimulus update and talk about a couple things that are going on right now. Give you some updates for those that have student loans that are in forbearance, some of those rent and foreclosure moratoriums that are out there that are currently about to expire, as well as give you an update on this direct stimulus payments that will be coming under the next stimulus payment. Stay tuned, we're going to talk about all that coming up next. Hello everyone, my name is Paul Zachary Shelton Jr. and I'm the Chief Investment Officer of Warwick Shore Advisors. We are a wealth and investment management firm located in Orlando, Florida, with clients all across the United States. If this is your first time coming to my channel or seeing one of my videos, I ask that you please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the bell so that you can get an update each time I upload a new video. And also please like and share this video to help me increase the financial literacy of our globe. So I want to go ahead and give you a quick update. Don't want to be too long today, but let you know very quickly that those of you that are out there who have put your student loans into forbearance related to COVID-19, you have until October for those student loans to stay in forbearance. Now, and this is under the CARES Act. However, you can contact your student loan provider outside of the CARES Act or outside of this time to seek an expansion or an extension of this time frame. I encourage everyone to do so. I actually produced a video about a month and a half ago giving you an update about the student loans within the CARES Act and one of the snafus that was made by Great Lakes, the student loan provider, that severely hurt so many people's credit report. So if you have a student loan through Great Lakes, I would encourage you to take a peek at your credit report and reach out to them if they have not fixed their mistake that they made in regards to that. Additionally, several states have entered into a moratorium. All 50 states originally entered into it to prevent foreclosures from rent and or evictions from rent not being paid and foreclosures. There are dropping off at different time periods, with July being the most recent month that the earliest states are starting to go back to filing foreclosures and filing eviction notices for those that have fallen past due on either one of those. So I would encourage you to reach out to your state and local government to see what your statute is in your local area. Hopefully it will be extended through the next economic stimulus that is going to be provided. Again, just like with your student loans, reach out to your landlord. And the reason why I say this, landlord in those mortgage companies, and the reason why I'm saying this is because many of those landlords in those financial institutions that you have a loan or a mortgage through received economic stimulus money, whether it's in the form of the PPP loans or some other type of stimulus. With that being the case, there is some obligation that they have to honor your request when you make a request regarding any COVID-19 related hardships that you may have. You're going to get the runaround. You will get the runaround because they want their money. They don't want to give you any leniency with not paying or anything of that nature. But understand, you do have, and this is in the CARES Act, you do have the right and the option to go ahead and reach out to them and to negotiate something that would be advantageous for both you and them at the same time. So lastly, I want to talk to you about the next round of stimulus payments that are going to be disseminated out to individuals in this country. It is estimated that the total stimulus package will be roughly $1 trillion, anywhere from there to $1.5 trillion. We know that under the HEROES Act, which was passed by Congress, or I should say passed by the House of Representatives, the Democratic plan that was put forth allowed for $3 trillion of stimulus money. And the reason that was much higher is because it provided an expansion and an extension to the unemployment insurance from the federal aid, additional $600 a week that is going out. In addition to that, it allowed for people that were left out under the first stimulus plan, under the CARES Act, those that were dependents over the age of 17 and older that were left out, those that were claimed as a dependent on a tax return, adults, it prevented you from getting it. It would allow you to receive that under the HEROES Act. So that's one of the reasons why it's higher under there. So it looks like where we're going right now, and what the White House has an appetite for and what the Senate has an appetite for is a little over $1 trillion, or somewhere roughly in that range. We're still waiting to see exactly how that would be spelled out and what that would mean for those that will receive it. As we know, Mitch McConnell floated the idea of allowing only people that made $40,000 or less per year to receive the economic stimulus, but we know that's going to hurt still so many people out there. Additionally, the Republicans did not want, or they do not want to extend the unemployment insurance, which is set to expire coming up very soon here in the next 18 days at the end of this month. So stay tuned. I'm going to provide you with more economic stimulus updates as more information comes out, but we are moving closer and closer to having something presented to Congress that may be palatable and accepted by both sides of the aisle, and hopefully accepted by the president. So stay tuned. If this is your first time tuning in to my channel or seeing one of my videos, I ask that you please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the bell so that you can get an update each time I upload a new video. And lastly, before you leave, please send me those thumbs, make them go up. Please like and share this video to help me increase the financial literacy of our globe. Thank you so much and have a great day.